Right, it's the 9th of July 2023. I'm just coming up the bunker, or I've come up early, the family are following, and we're going to plant out some more plants. And I just thought I'd take the opportunity to show the field that hasn't been cut yet. And it's looking great. It really is. There's butterflies and bees and, you know, you probably can't see it, but I'm tracking a bee right now. But it's just all around the place. Butterflies over here. Again, they've just been, how they navigate in this wind, I'll never know. But they're all over the place. So completely overgrown everywhere you look. You know, that's the nettle field. The spruce is looking nice. It's a cloudy day, but you still got a great bit of English countryside. Natural countryside, which you don't see very often anymore with kind of big scale farms. That's what I mean. It's lovely. Lovely to see. Into the manicured area. The sanctuary. Pear trees. Oh, yeah, first year we've had pears. And plums. We had a few last year, but this year it's looking bumper. I think this is the first time we've had, I don't know if this, I think it might be an apple in the pot, rescued from Wills. So this is a potential site for some of the planting. Apple is doing well. I'm trying to work out what to call this. It's like a fish tank, but there's no fish. So because the glass has allowed the hedge to just carry on growing without disturbing the actual light or anything like that, just restricting where it can grow. I cut this the other day. You've got this incredible kind of glass wall of plants flat up against it. I was too late in netting the cherry tree. It has been picked clean. Okay, I had them last year, they can have them this year. That's balance, I suppose. This one is turning into a, it's not a pear tree, it's a pear bush. Not that many pears on it, but a different variety. So got to work out something to do with all these pears at some point. The plants we're going to plant, the bunker is still a mess. Okay, so the reason why it's still a mess, and I kind of thought that I would get a lovely patio floor down there and enjoy a nice barbecue up here in the summer, and it dawned on me I need all the infrastructure in first. So I've got the rainwater harvesting, that was the first thing, but now I need power, and this brings me to the dilemma of where to put solar panels, where they will be safe, because we're in the middle of nowhere, and if I put them on the outside, that would be the obvious side, that's the south facing side, but they're in a field, you know, with, they'll just get stolen or something. So I'm kind of thinking mounting them, unfortunately, over a couple of these glass panels here. But the reason I got to think about this is because I've got to get power into the bunker. The bunker is not a lot of good without some power, and I need to run all the cables first, so I can't lay a floor, can I? obvious really. Yeah, so what we're planting are some ferns, and I've always liked ferns because they freshen the air, but they don't like sunshine, not direct anyway. So I was thinking maybe along here, so I laid them out to have a look. Oh, and we've got some lavender to plant as well. I thought at the back edge of what's going to be the pond, but I don't know. I still haven't made my mind up. But the family will be up shortly and we'll make a decision. And yeah, this is it as we speak.